Last year we made music in our garden, but we felt lonely. And we got an idea, taking the music to you guys. The idea was simple. Grab our instrument, the sound system, and of course, our surfboard. Right now, we're in Switzerland.
Our mission is to cross Europe. We have like 1,000 kilometers to cross from Switzerland to Portugal.
For a clean mix, you want individual DAW to hit the console channel fader at roughly plus 6 dBU.
Because you are bigger than me, I'm not.
Yeah, but that's why you're gonna be on the side.
Can we try now? You think like tilting the table this way? And... Oh putain, c'était quoi ce bruit?
What was that?
Wait a minute. So after we go to Space Me Out, after Rhythm of Nature, Space Me Out it goes to go like this, Rhythm of Nature it goes like this.
The thing is, Space Me Out is missing a lot of elements, so there's no energy. It's okay, we see tomorrow.
But also I would love to make a new edit of Space Me Out because like this it's just like pop songs for live performance. I think it's...
I find it so stylish the way he comes in. I feel like I don't know why. Like
yeah,
for
but like in the record, but in the live, nobody gives a fuck.
What's the problem, Adam?
Nothing, just
we have to learn how to
just tuning the speakers.
The XLR was designed strictly for microphone.
Okay.
Line in is 1/4 inch. So what's happening is that you're overdriving the signal in.
Ok. Il m'a dit qu'il faut qu'on rentre en quarter inch, en jack. Faut qu'on sorte en normal, en XLR, mais qu'on rentre en jack.
Adam is talking to his friends again.
New toys, every time you give him a new toy, it's gonna be like this for hours.
They're coming?
Someone is responding, huh?
The goal is to drive all the way down to Portugal.
Tell me a little bit before because there is delay.
Yeah, give it full power.
Sunshine. Sunshine. Folks get proud in the sunshine.
How many hours to Bordeaux?
8 again. Yeah, we're gonna work out here, huh? Thank you very much.
Bonjour, bonjour.
For morning, it's
Oakberry or no?
yeah. The second and the three is Oakberry, but the first is normally. For after lunch, it's a small, medium. You know you have 4 size, and it's small, medium is this one for after lunch, and after dinner just small.
Bravo.
It's fine.
It's still too much, huh?
Yeah. It's not too bad, but.
Oh, what are these beautiful feet?
2 years, you're finally here.
Bonjour.
Small biceps.
No surfing, no sunshine, everyone depressed, everyone. I've never seen it like this.
Except you.
I'm trying to be happy. I spent 2 hours today. What the fuck is this sound? This car does not sound good. What's up?
Welcome,
Welcome.
welcome. You're good? Nice to have you here tonight.
Thank you, man.
The stars.
He's so sneaky, he's like, oh, I cannot sing it, it's too high, so he removed the song. Sneaky Yann. He's removing the best performing song we have.
It's not the best performing song we have.
Such a liar.
Huh?
How is this the best performance?
This?
One there, one here. Et deux pour le skatepark. Parce que le skatepark il reste aussi complet déjà.
Merci.
Merci.
Up to a good start. Next to a rock and roll festival.
Let's go.
We're gonna throw the bigger party. Most of them.
We're gonna see. Let's go, baby.
It's such a nightmare.
The venue is a nice surf shop. Boardriders, Ericeira. Look at this. Sun is shining. Gonna play music.
Amazing.
Living the dream.
Hey guys, we buy Amor.
Well, join us for our show tonight.
Oh my
All right.
god, this is hard.
It's better to do it alone.
It's better to do what to do.
Boardriders, Ericeira! We'll start the show now. Yeah, boy, Amor, and thank you for being here.
Like, I'm going to bring your music back to New Zealand.
Amazing, thank you.
And then everybody will say to me, oh my gosh, who is this? And I'll say, I fucking love these guys. I'll say, I fucking love these guys.
J'étais sûr que je me suis dit à un moment, putain, ils vont faire la house.
Bah oui, le
Donc
mec
ils vont être en
avant.
studio, ils vont être là, putain.
Non, mais Yann, c'est bon, fais chier.
No, I
C'est
just
bon.
told them.
En plus,
I was thinking like, oh, then I think we're gonna sell shows like 100K.
Yann, il peut produire 10 albums en 1 minute de dance.
But the scary part is we have to DJ, I guess, and I just removed the iPhone.
It's okay.
We go back against the rules. Maybe the manifesto was meant for this.
Maybe the manifesto was meant to be burnt.
Yeah, exactly. So we know what we should not
Guys,
do.
I have an idea. Let's film vertical from now on, and
Thank you.
fuck this lens.
Let's
Just
use
go
the-
phone.
Tomorrow we go on Splice, we choose a kick.
No, Suno, there's no more splice, bro.
Let's find a kick.